Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the new topic, that is the probability. We have done in class 8th and ninth also, right? So the probability means chance of occurring or non-occurring of any event. Chance of occurring or non-occurring of any event. The maximum probability is always 1 when there is 100% chance that that is going to happen, and the minimum probability is 0 when there is surety that this cannot happen, and that means the probability lies between 0 to 1. Now, before we understand the probability, we have to understand certain things. First is a random experiment. Then is event. Then it is sample space. Sample space means the total events. A random experiment is what? Random experiment is like you toss a coin. That is a random experiment. Throw a dice is a random experiment. Draw a card from pack of 52 cards, it's a random experiment. Event. When you throw a die, then what happens? What you can get? You can get either head or tail. Same, when you throw a dice, then the possibility of getting are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you draw a card, then there is possibility from ace till 10, jack and queen and king. You can get any number with different colors. That I'll come to later on this. Sample space means the total events. When you throw a dice, total event is 2. When you throw a dice, total event is 6. In coin it was 2, and in this case it is 52, right? So the formula for the probability is number of favorable cases upon total cases or total sample space. So let's do a few sums. First is 2 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting number 1 head, number 2 tail, and number 3 at least 1 head. When you throw a dice, then there is a possibility you will get HH, head tail, tail head and tail tail. First is the probability of getting the head. that is number of favorable cases upon total cases. Head we have at 3 places, 3 by 4. Find the probability of getting the tail. Tail is also at 3 places, then 3 by 4, and at least one head. At least one head we have. So we have here, we have here, and we have here. At least means at least. You can have 2, 3 more, and even more. At least one head. And fourth is at most one head. When comes to at most means HT TH. This तो certainly come. At most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक head होना चाहिए. Maximum you can have. So that means this also will come. Again the answer is 3, 4. 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting at least one head, at most 2 heads, 3 heads. In 3 cases you have to write carefully. You will start from T, H, head, then head. This here you will take tail. This tail will keep on moving. Tail will come here, then tail will come here. Tail will here, and head and tail, then tail, head. Then head, tail, then tail. Right? 8 cases we have. At least one head. At least one. This will come, 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 this will come. 7 by 8. At most at most 2 heads. At most 1 head. Changing. अब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक हेड होना चाहिए. So this will come, this will come, this will come, and this will come. Where we don't have a head, that also will become 1 by 2, and head only. जहाँ हेड ही हो सिर्फ head, and head are again 7 by 8. We can understand this sum also by more example. 3 persons A, B, C went to see the movie. The condition was you should have at least ₹100. A has 110, B has 90, and C has 20. So who can watch the movie? At least only A can watch the movie. Then again A, B, C. A has 110, it has 90, it has no money. Now at most 100. Who has maximum ₹100? He can go. So one case is B can go because he has 90. He should not have more than 90. And C will also go because he don't have money. The condition was that at least they should have 110. At most ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ₹100 होने चाहिए. 100 से ऊपर हुए नहीं जा सकते, 100 से कम हुए जा सकते हैं, ना हो तो भी जा सकते हैं। ठीक है जी। In a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students having birthday on same day is 0.999. Find what is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday. What is the probability students do not have same birthday date? Same birthday date. The probability is 0.999. We know the probability of happening and non-happening is 1. So not on same day will be 1 minus 0.999 is equal to 0.001 is the answer. They don't have on same day. A dice is thrown. Find the probability of getting even number, even prime number, and odd numbers. A dice is thrown, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Probability of getting even number is only 2. Even prime number, even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. That means 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Second is the probability of getting the even prime. Even prime is only 1, 2. That is 1 by 6. And third is odd number and which are prime. This is odd prime, this is odd prime and this is odd prime. Again 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Now the question is 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability of getting number 1 doublets, number 2 sum greater than 10, number 3 multiple of 2 on 1 and multiple of 3 on another. Now the 2 dice are thrown. When 2 dice are thrown, then what happened? If one is 1, 1, first 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meaning by first die you are getting 1 and other you are keep on changing. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 3-6, 4-1, 4-2, 4-3, 4-4, 4-5, 4-6, 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6, and 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5, 6-6. Now we'll put the brackets. And we will put the commas. First was getting the probability of doublets. Doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 6 by 36, 1 by 6. Then the probability of getting the sum 10, meaning by the sum of 2 should be 10. Sum 10. Sum 10 will be greater than 10. Sum greater than 10. So this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3. Right? 3 by 36, 1 by 12. Third is multiple of 2 on 1. Multiple of 2 on 1 and multiple of 3 on another or other. Now multiple of 2 and 3, 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 and 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means multiple of 1. If 1 you have 2, multiple another 3, or vice versa. If 1 you have a 3, another on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 by 36. Then you have question number 7. That is on a bag contains 3 red, 4 black, and 5 white balls. Find the probability of getting a red ball. Red is how much? 5 by 12. Probability of getting not red. Not red is not red. Not red, first case is 7 by 12. Or we can write 1 minus 5 by 12 also. If probability of getting is there, we subtract from 1, then when we get the probability of not getting there. Third, probability of getting yellow. Yellow. We don't have any yellow here. That means it will be 0. Now we talk about cards. Total cards are 52. 26 are black. In black we have 13 and 13. 13 clubs, 13 spades. In red, again we have 26 red. Red are 13s are diamond and 13 are heart. And numbered are ace, A1 we write ace till 10, then jack, queen, and king. We have face card. Face card is jack, queen, and king into 4 is equal to 12. Picture card. Picture card or court card. That is ace, jack, queen, and king into 4 is equal to 12. Right? So find the probability of number 1, king, from pack of 52 cards. So find the probability of getting the king. So we have 4 kings. We have 4 kings for divided by 52, it is 1 by 30. If we have the probability of getting the red king, as we know there are total 4 kings, 2 red and 2 black, so red kings are 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Then 10 of heart, 10 of heart is only 1 by 52. Fourth is, if 3 cards, Jack, Queen and King, are removed, then find the probability of getting king. So now we are left with 3 kings and 3 cards are also removed, 49, right? So the another last and important question is, find the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year and in a non-leap year. Leap year number of days are 366. Minimum weeks in a year is 52. 52 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, every is minimum, means Sunday, Monday to Sunday there are all 52 weeks. Then the number of days will be 52 into 7, 364. That means 364 days has gone in 52 weeks. Number of days left. Now number of days left are 2. The days which are left, that can be Monday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday and Saturday, Sunday. So Sunday we get twice and there are total 7 combinations. Instead of Sunday, even if you get that, find the probability of getting 53 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day, procedure and the answer will be same. But if it is non-leap year, number of days will be 365. Minimum weeks, as I said, minimum weeks will be 52. 52 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of days gone in 52 weeks is 364. So number of days left is 1. So that one day can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That means only 1 by 7. So getting the probability of 53 of any day in non-leap year is 1 by 7. In leap year it is 2 by 7, right? Thank you very much for today. So I hope that you have understood. Thank you.